Good afternoon. It is October the 3rd, 2009, and today is Solomon's birthday. Actually, his real birthday is tomorrow, but we're going to have it today. So here's his party at his Nana's house that we're throwing for him. And we decorated everything, and look at all of Solomon's gifts. Oh my, what a very nice party he's gonna have today. Lot of food, lots and lots of food, and more to come. And let's go see all the gifts that came to his party. My auntie Henrietta, my friend Adrienne and her children, Joanne, and here is his big inflatable happy birthday poop. And here is his cousin, Ariana. Say hi. Ariana's just a little bit older than Solomon. And that's her mom, Juanita, and her dad, Tony. Thanks for smiling, Tony. My Aunt Renee is Tony's mother, and my Aunt Slay.
What up?
And this is Solomon's daddy. What do you have to say to Solomon today on his birthday?
Happy birthday. 365 days old today. My little,
We love you, Solomon.
my little man grew up nice and strong, you know what I'm saying? We're going to teach you right and feed you right and have you right, you know what I'm saying? Happy birthday, Solomon. My man.
All right.